how to print from your phone on Epson L3250. In this video, I'm going to be quickly showing you on how you're going to be able to print from your phone on Epson L3250 directly through your Wi-Fi connection. So first of all, what you're simply going to do is you're going to go ahead and turn your Epson printer on. And once that is done, make sure that the Wi-Fi router is prompted. Okay. So once that has been prompted, what you're simply going to do from there on out is you're going to go over to your phone. Once you're in your phone, you're going to go to your app store and you're going to download the Epson iPrint application. Once that is done, in your Wi-Fi section, it's going to give you the direct Epson L3250 Wi-Fi internet. Do make sure to connect that with your phone. And once you have done that, you're simply going to go straight to your Epson iPrint. From there, agree to their terms, and finally go ahead and start printing as you may. So that is how you can print from your phone on Epson L3250. Thank you for watching this video till the end, and I'll see all of you in the next video. Have a great day. Goodbye.